got some pictures of you doing that. You want a
Send them to
picture?
me.
I will. There you go.
What do I do? Text you?
Yeah, text me or send me an email or give me a call or whatever you
I
want.
want them, so I'll text them to you. Because my phone number is shorter than my email.
Sounds good. I'll send them to you as soon as I sit down in the car and
Okay.
caught up on stuff.
Okay, so I should add you to my contacts.
Yeah. Oh, you're just like I am with your phone.
Yeah. I use it a lot, believe it or not, for work, but
Well, sure, but my eyes is the thing. It's just I don't see that as well. I like things up on a big screen. You know?
my husband died like 6 months ago, and he used to like do a lot of this for me, so I'm like,
Ah, sorry to hear that.
okay, so done, right? That means you're here? Okay. Oh, I spelled your name wrong.
Oh
I
man,
apologize.
I didn't even know it. You didn't have to admit that. I would have never known.
Sorry.
Oh, people get it. They say it wrong. They get it wrong all the time. It doesn't matter. I won't be offended. Yeah, the canine demonstration is at 11:30, I think. So that's what I'm looking forward to. Canine demonstration here today.
I like the canines too.
Oh, me too. So I don't know where they're going to do it, but it's at 11:30.
Did you do the police academy?
Doing Citizens Academy.
But you didn't do the police.
No.
Because when the policeman came,
I know that one.
the police dog wrapped around my leg, put his head in my lap, and just like stayed there.
Oh.
I used to
How cool is
foster
that?
dogs, so he's
Oh, I
like,
love
I
dogs.
know this one. I can see dog hair all over.
Well, I can tell you loved animals because the way you were pedaling up to the horse.
Yeah.
I had to take a picture of that.
I'm
So
crazy with
hopefully it
that.
came out fine. I'll send you whatever I got. You know. Of course.
You can only work with what you had.
I know. Well, but it was so cute. Just the way you were, just the love you were showing for the horse there. So
They're so well trained.
yeah, no kidding. I guess they'd have to be, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know anything about horses though. I don't know.
So do you know where Target is at Naughton Patel?
Oh sure. Yeah.
I used to live at Cerritos and Colbert, and if I cleaned out a stall, they would let me take the dogs. So I mean, I was like 10 years old, and we were running the streets,
Oh, neat.
and they're like, I just put it out, and they're like, okay, see you later. So it was like having your own horse, but you have to pay for it.
Oh, I
And,
love
I
that.
didn't mind hanging out and petting the horse, so I was
I can
happy
tell.
to clean out the
I
stall.
can tell you have an affinity for animals.
Yeah, I love them.
Yeah, so that's great. Yeah, it should be a good day. I'm going to stick around for the dog, the canine show. And,
I'm in Kiwanis in Seropolis, and we have a booth here. So.
oh, come over and say hi then. I
Yeah,
didn't
we'll
just kind
get
of
you a soda.
Oh, yeah. Of course. Bug me if you haven't seen them. Just send me a little message. Where's my photos? I don't mind that.